Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making eggless chocolate chip sugar cookies. These soft and chewy sugar cookies are loaded with mini chocolate chips and they're free of eggs. They're quick and easy and there's no chill time. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today, but if you guys want to make these with a hand mixer, that totally works too. So we have 113 grams of softened butter in our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add in our cane sugar. Then, of course, some vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Next, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of milk. You guys can use any kind of milk you like. Then we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to add in our salt and our baking powder. And you guys want to make sure you're using baking powder and not baking soda in this recipe. This is because baking soda needs an acid to react with, and there's no acid in this recipe. An acid would be something like brown sugar, honey, molasses, and we don't have any of that, so we need to use baking powder. If you end up using baking soda and not baking powder, your cookies won't have a very great texture and they can also have like a kind of weird metallic taste. So now we're going to mix this on low until combined into a cookie dough. So now we're going to add in some mini dark chocolate chips. And if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with these mini dark chocolate chips. I use them in everything. I love them because you can get chocolate in every single bite. But if you guys want a plain sugar cookie, you can feel free to just leave the chocolate chips out too. That also works. Now we're just going to mix this on low until all the chocolate chips are combined. So now we're going to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. And now I'm just going to use my hands to ball these cookies, but if you guys want to use a cookie scoop, that totally works too. We're going to get 6 cookies per sheet, so 12 cookies total. And if you guys are using your hands, it's easy to divide the dough in half. That way you know half goes on each sheet. Then you can easily divide them into 6. Now, if you guys want to add a little bit of mini dark chocolate chips right on top, you can, and you can do that now. But this part is totally optional. Now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes. And the best thing about eggless cookies is if you guys like super soft and gooey sugar cookies, you can underbake them as much as you want. So I like to round these out with a cookie cutter immediately after coming out of the oven for perfectly round cookies. Then I like to sprinkle them with a little bit of cane sugar. And look at how delicious these cookies look. They're so soft and chewy with no eggs. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more eggless baking recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. These are so good, you guys. You have to make these. And my pug was getting really mad. He couldn't watch me eat cookies and not get one. Do you need a cookie? I brought yours over. You need one. Of course you need a cookie.